Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I'm pretty much just showing you guys how I clean up my microbladed eyebrows and what I use. So I do use a razor and a brush, and I am using my Aveeno Daily Cream, moisturizing cream. I just apply that over my eyebrows and then I take my razor and just like gently go above, kind of cleaning and scraping off little hairs. And then I go underneath my eyebrows and almost like tweezing it, except I'm using a razor. I very closely clean and just scrape off and raise off, however you want to word that, the little hairs that I no longer want there, and just to clean up around the shape of my eyebrows. So there's not too much to explain. If you just closely watch what I'm doing, like I said, I'm almost like it's tweezing off the hairs, except I'm using a razor, and I'm being very careful and not going too fast in this process so I don't shave off too much hair. Then once I am done, I will wipe the remaining product off of my eyebrows, and then I'm going to go in with my Anastasia pomade. Just kind of shape up my eyebrows where there still needs a little bit of filling. And I also use my Anastasia gel just to place my hairs. If you have microbladed eyebrows, you can cut off that extra length, but I don't care to because my eyebrows are already naturally thinner, so I just want to keep that hair to make my eyebrows appear darker and fuller. And that is all that I do. I hope you enjoyed this short little tutorial. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.